What's up YouTube, this is FJ and I wanted to make a quick video to share some of my excitement because I finally jumped on the bandwagon and bought my first air fryer. Gourmia 6.7 liters 7-quart digital air fryer. I bought it from Spyder Wholesale. So this was $49.99. Here is Spyder Wholesale. There's a number of locations, but this one's located in Brampton, and they have basically what appears to be returns from Costco. So if you are buying any kind of electronics or appliances, I do recommend looking through the box and make sure all the pieces are there. Some of them might have been used and then returned, so I did have to look through about 4 boxes of these air fryers to find one that looked like it wasn't used or like it was new. So you can see here, guys, that on the Costco website it's $84.99. Same one is on Amazon for $111. So I was definitely getting a nice deal at Spyder Wholesale for $49.99. And if you pay by cash, there's also a 5% discount. Here's a quick unboxing. Lift that open. Let's see there. This was opened for sure from before, but it's pretty big. They had a 6-quart one for the same price, so I figured why not go for the 7-quart one if it's the same price. Open that up, and I could tell from there that this one had not been used yet, whereas all the other ones looked like they were, or at least this one was relatively clean and unscratched. Comes with this bottom plate as well as this tray inside as well. I think this goes on the bottom and then the tray would go on top of that to create separation. They do allow you to plug it in, and when I did plug it in, the panel does work. No scratches on the panel. Some of the other boxes, when I opened them, they did have some scratches on the panel and on the top, so I do recommend opening the box and checking it out. Plug it in to make sure it turns on. I'm gonna use this right now. I'm gonna try it for some toast, I guess, to start with. If you guys have any suggestions or recipes that I can try out for my new air fryer, let me know in the comments down below, and I'd be happy and excited to try them out. I've been holding off on this air fryer just because I mainly just use a rice cooker or a toaster oven. A lot of times I'm okay with just putting rice and then some food on top of the rice and then have it steamed as it cooks, or yeah, using the toaster oven to toast everything or to bake things. With an air fryer, things are going to be faster and they'll taste better too, and still be healthier than deep frying. Let me know if you guys think an air fryer does beat a toaster oven or a rice cooker, because everyone else I told that I bought an air fryer has told me that it's life-changing. It's a game changer. It's gonna like change my life. So we'll see. If you like this video, click like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when the next one comes out. And that's it, guys. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. See ya.